The Central Processing Unit, or the CPU, is a part of the computer system, often referred to as the brains of the computer. The purpose of the CPU is to process data. It is responsible for executing a sequence of stored instructions called a program. The CPU is responsible for major processes such as sorting and searching information and making calculations and integral decisions. Whatever is done on our computers, such as checking emails, surfing the web, or even watching videos, the CPU has processed the data we use. Think of the computer as an office you're working in. You are the CPU. You are the one doing the thinking and getting stuff done. When you are working, it's a lot faster to get stuff done with whatever you can hold in your head, but your short-term memory only stretches so far, so you need somewhere to keep your notes and books you are using, which is why you have a desk. The bigger your desk, the more books you can keep open and near you. Just like your short-term memory, cache is a small amount of memory which is close to the CPU. It is used to temporarily hold instructions and data that the CPU is likely to reuse. The more cache there is, the more data can be stored closer to the CPU for faster processing. Just like your desk, you have RAM where the computer keeps the data it's working with. The more RAM, the more stuff you can have open. You probably own a lot more books than you are likely to be using at any one time, which is why you have bookshelves. You'll just go to the bookshelves and get the books you need for the work you're doing right now, and put them on your desk. Your computer's hard drive fulfills the same task as your bookshelves. When you open a file, it copies data from the hard drive to RAM, the same way as you'd get a book onto your desk when you're working with it. Ever noticed how your computer gets really slow if you have tons of programs open? Just imagine having your desk overflowing with books, and you having to make constant trips between your desk and the bookshelf because you don't have enough space for all the stuff you need. To a computer, basically everything is a math problem to be solved. Whether it is loading a website, displaying a movie, or playing a game. All of those functions are handled by the CPU and the resources it has available.